Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Keyhole markup language, KML, is an XML-based file format used to display geographic data in Earth browsers such as Google Earth and Google Maps. Python provides several libraries to work with KML files, such as simplekml, lxml, and pykml. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to read KML files in Python using pykml, a Python package for parsing KML documents. Before we begin, ensure you have pykml installed. You can install it via pip. Let's dive into a step-by-step example of how to read a KML file using pykml. First, import the necessary modules from the pykml library. Use pykml.parser.parse function to parse the KML file. This function returns a Python elementtree object representing the KML document. Once parsed, you can access various elements of the KML document using standard XML traversing techniques. You can then extract relevant data from the KML file, such as place mark names, coordinates, descriptions, etc. Putting it all together, here's a complete example that reads a KML file and prints out the names of all place marks. Reading KML files in Python using pykml is straightforward. After parsing the file, you can easily access and extract the desired information from the KML document. This tutorial provides a basic overview of the process, but you can explore further to perform more complex operations on KML data within your Python scripts. ChatGPT.